Now let's work with photo editing tools inside of Spark App right here. So here I have an image, as you can see, and some things that I worked around in the last lesson. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to work with a photo. So at the bottom you see that there's photo here. So I'm going to click that and I'm going to find some free photos right here. So find free photos. I'm just going to search in something like nature and press enter, and let's see what pops up. So there are a lot of things, as you can see right here. So now I'm going to use this as an image. So I'm going to use this. And right now you can see that once I import the image in, it comes in as an inline image right here, as an inline image, just like that. Inline image is the default view for image, as you can see right here. And it pops up just like this. And along with the inline image, you can see that I have a space to add in a caption right here. So I'm just going to say bridge to nature, just like this. So you have the caption right here and you have the image just like that. Let me click this and you can see that there's an inline option right here, and another option you have is fill screen. So if I were to click this, you can see that everything actually pops up just like that and it becomes a full screen image. And here on the left side you can see that there's an option for bridge to nature right here, which is the caption. I can click this and edit it right here. I can also select this out, type in something else. I'm going to say caption for the bridge image, and I can edit it right on the go, as you can see right here. Quite easy. I can click here and you can see that I have something called a focal point over here if I were to be on full screen. So over here I can also move the image right here. So I can move the image right up and down. So right now there's nothing else to move in the image, so it's actually there. Focal point is when, let's say for example, your phone is in a portrait mode or something. So if I were to move this on the left on phone, it actually will display this side of the image right here. And if I were to drag it along on the right, it shows this side of the image. So let's say I want this to be the focal point, and this is when you actually see like this on your phone, just like that. So once you actually choose the focal point, you can just click save, click it, and you can see that focal point move replace option is there as well if you want to replace an image. So that's the inline text, the inline, which is the default. That's the full screen. Another one is window. So once I enable this, it actually comes up like a window image. So if I were to scroll down, you can see that it comes up as a window right here, and the background image stays still. So you want this type of a photo image, you can choose window right here, and there's the caption right there. There's also full width. So if I were to click this, that's the full width. That is, now the picture is full width, it's totally full and not just fill screen. Fill screen is when it actually fills in the entire screen, just like this. And full width is when it covers up the entire image. None of the part of the image has been cropped out right here. So another thing, you have an option to replace as well. So if I were to click on replace, you can select any of the image right here and it'll replace it with that image right here, just like this. But you can see that the image is blown out, so you do have to keep in mind to select a high resolution image right here. This is quite a high resolution image, and anyways, if you use low resolution image, it does show you a warning on the bottom right. So once everything is there, you can see that this is a full page, move, and you can also delete this out and so forth. So let me go here, let me go for an inline text right here. So the image is smaller in size and you have a caption as well, just like this. You also have option for photo grid, glide show, and other things which you're going to see in further lessons. So that is how you can work with photos inside Spark App. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.